Yes guys, this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha Reggae Lounge, Dominican Republic. This is a double jerk. See, that's how I serve it. Steaming hot. Okay? Steaming hot. The first and only authentic Jamaican restaurant in the Dominican Republic. And you will find that in the proof in the eating. Don't listen to ad or anything that you see saying they are the best food in Sosua, the best food in Dominican Republic. Self-praises is no recommendation. Remember that. So if you fall for that, then you deserve what you get, because I've get so many complaints. There's a lot of fake Jamaican food on the island. I'm not saying this to big up myself or make my food look the best, but I'm Jamaican and I don't want to see my food get disrespected, because I've had that experience where there's a tourist that was walking around, one of the tour guides, and he was pointing out my restaurant when I was in the beach. And the tourist told him, the guy told the tourist, listen, it's a nice Jamaican restaurant right there. And the tourist turned to the guy and said, no, I'm not gonna go there because I already had an experience with Jamaican food and I didn't like it. So he was speaking about the fake Jamaican restaurant and the fake food that he'd been getting up on the top of the strip. So I was the first one that came here and did this in 2010. And right after I did it, I had somebody come to me and told me that him and his uncle that they wanted to open a Jamaican restaurant or whatever. And I said, why didn't you do it? Now, you know. So a couple of years later, they come on the beach and they took pictures of my place. And then before you know it, I hear people asking me, Mosha, do you have a restaurant up in the strip? I said, no. He said, there's a restaurant that looks just like yours. I said, yeah, that person come and copy everything. I used to have flag on the table, all of that. All right. Another story is three guys walking here the other day, and I heard them sitting at the table discussing stuff, and they said to each other, one of them remarked, he said, you feel the different vibe now? You feel the vibe? So what he was saying is, you can feel the vibe here in my place. It's not a fake. All right? Whatever you get anywhere else, yeah, food can taste good, but is it Jamaican? Yeah, I get so many complaints from people who buy this food, this fake food. So anyway, guys, this is Mosha again, coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in Dominican Republic. So this is my double pack. The gentleman is out there waiting for his food. So I'm just doing this to show you. All right. So this is how I do it. All right. Feel this. You're not on camera, so don't worry. Feel it. Yeah, man, you can eat some now if you want.
I'm a driver, the comments, I'm not even saying nothing.
Alright, so guys, I'm gonna go get the spoon for him so he can try it. So yeah, once again guys, Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge. No, I'm gonna have him try it while we're on camera, but I'm not putting him on the camera because I don't know if he wants to be on camera. You know I'm on camera, right?
What you do? You do a reel?
Yeah, I do a reel for my YouTube channel. It's very popular.
Yeah, man, you're good, man. You're good,
Alright,
man.
so, okay, so I'm going to make you taste the food first.
Stuff.
And then while you're tasting it, I film it.
Yeah, man. Sample it, man.
So, guys, you see, I took it out of the kitchen, bring it straight to the table, hot and nice.
You want to feel pretty
You hungry too?
Yeah, man.
What do you think?
Bad like yards.
Yeah, man, and he's a Jamaican, you know, real Jamaican. What is your name again?
Bad like yards, Raj.
Rash. You see
Raj,
that?
man.
Okay, so that's
The whole of St. Catherine.
The whole of St. Catherine. First time here?
No, man, second.
Second time. See the guys? Alright, that was his. He leaving on the plane, so he decided to get his jerk chicken before.
Come back.
Yeah.
Come back second time.
There you go.
Time.
Oh yeah, that's right. You was here the other day.
Time.
This is the second trip.
Second time.
Second trip.
Food bad, man. Come check him out. Come check him out.
See that, guys?
Come check him out, man.
You know, so when you hear people talking, did you go to the other, you ever go to another spot where them say them have Jamaican?
Never need for. Never need for.
You never need to go nowhere because them come as a first, so you know, check my life.
Check my
So that's what I was telling you guys. There's a lot of fake people. And let me tell you something about what people do in Dominican Republic.
Yeah, man, talk to them, talk.
They like to copy. If something is working, they copy it. There's a place that tell you this is the best food in Sosua. You go over there and try it and you'll see what happens. You will see that when you come here. Alright? So where dead bodies are, they do vultures flock. So no flock to the place they say wait for people, because that don't mean nothing.
Nothing.
Only for people in our spot don't mean nothing. You come and try it for yourself. Alright? So guys, once again, here I am, Mosha Reggae Lounge. When you come down the strip, when you come here, this is my spot. It's the first authentic Jamaican restaurant in the Dominican Republic. Alright. Freddie! So now you're gonna I'm gonna show you how to get here by bus. When you come, I'll show you how easy it is. So right there is the metro. Right here is all the motor control. When you want to go anywhere, you just walk. You come to all the motor controls is here. You don't need to walk around. And these guys are pretty fair. They don't overcharge you. Buen precio, you know? Buen precio motor control. Yeah, they charge good price. So guys, you go up there. You see the red sign? Right at the corner is the metro. You get off at the metro. You walk down. This is Pedro Cristante. And you go, right there is my restaurant. Alright, so promotion. So yes guys, this is Mosha again, coming to you from Mosha Reggae Lounge, the only authentic Jamaican restaurant, Jamaican food in the Dominican Republic. Anything else is fake. Anything else, I don't care where you get it. If they say the Jamaican or the Sri Lanka, whatever it is, fake. These are the only one. Remember that. Not that you can't go and support other businesses, but I'm just letting you be aware so that we don't get a bad reputation. And we're getting bad reputation from these fake food. I'm getting people complaining to me about the fake food that they're getting. One was complaining, we did a video on it, but I decided not to post it because it wouldn't be ethical. The guy said he went somewhere and the guy was always harassing him about getting oxtail, and he eventually tried it. He spit it out. He didn't finish eating it. And we did a video because he was so upset. Alright guys. So this is Mosha again, coming to you from Mosha Reggae Lounge, Dominican Republic. Peace, blessed love.